Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making French macarons. First we start off by sifting the ground almonds and the icing sugar. Beat the egg whites and the granulated sugar until stiff peaks form and the whites look nice and shiny and marshmallowy. It should take about 5 minutes. This is where you would add half a teaspoon of an extract of your choice for some flavoring and some gel food coloring. Fold the almond flour into the egg whites. I first fold in about half of the almond flour and I mix that really well into the egg whites. And once that's nicely mixed in, I'm going to go ahead and add the other half of my flour mix. And I'm going to continue mixing that for about a minute or until a nice smooth ribbony, and it has to be nice and flowy. Here I'm making 2 batches. You're going to need a piping bag or a Ziploc bag with a 1/2-inch opening. Twist the top of the bag. It makes piping a lot easier. So what I'm using here is a template that I downloaded from southernfatty.com, and it's a template for 1.5-inch macarons. So what you do is you just slip this. I printed a couple of them. So you slip this underneath the parchment paper, and once you've piped it on, you just remove the paper. So for me, holding the tip of the piping bag at the 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock mark, they come out, it's easier and there's less of a drip. But I mean, everybody's different. I'm new to piping, so this method here works best for me. You try it your own way, whatever you feel comfortable with. Then you're going to pick up the tray and you are going to bang it. Pick it up, bang it on the counter a couple of times. That is to release any air bubbles. This is a time when you could decorate the tops with sprinkles. So now you're going to let this sit on the counter for 30 minutes. The top will dry and it forms like a little skin. I think that's what they call it. Not scientific when it comes to baking. You're going to bake these at 325, anywhere from 12 to 15 minutes, all depending on the strength of your oven. Allow them to cool completely on the cookie tray before removing. You could use whatever filling you want for these macarons. People use jam. I'm using a buttercream store-bought filling, which you could easily flavor with a couple of drops of extract of your choice. So guys, let me tell you, I tried making these macarons with the carton egg whites, and I've tried twice actually. And both times they did not turn out, they flopped. Look at the way they turned out. Taste is excellent, however, they don't have those beautiful feet. Doesn't have that beautiful shape. So just an FYI. Here's another batch I made, which was a big disappointment also. Little did I realize that when you bake with the oven light on, it increases the temperature. Yep. I just didn't know that. I just thought I'd share that with you. Well guys, thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.